Welcome back sa ating channel, and this time it's another beauty video. At ngayon gagawa tayo ng makeup challenge. Okay, so nakikita nyo ngayon, I am not wearing any makeup at all dahil gagawa nga tayo ng beauty challenge, and this challenge is the Bratz makeup challenge. Are you ready? I am. Let's start the challenge. Ayan. So I'm gonna flash somewhere here ang ating Bratz makeup inspiration. To be honest, nung bata ako, wala akong Bratz at hindi rin ako masyado natutuwa sa kanila. They look kind of different for me. I had a lot of Barbie dolls, yun yung aking favorite, but not the Bratz ones. Pero now that I have, grown up, nakita ko na yung mga makeup ng iba't ibang Bratz, and dahil nauso rin tong Bratz makeup challenge, I have seen na sobrang stylish nga naman nila, and they have very good looking makeup. So, ito lang yung gagawin natin kasi simple lang siya, and let's begin. First, prime the face or moisturize dahil meron silang very, of course, porcelain and beautiful makeup or skin. So, as always, you know the drill. This is my favorite moisturizer, and I'm just using the sachet, the Aqua Moisturizer by IY Korea. So we're just gonna apply that all over the face, making sure na well hydrated ang skin natin since we will be using some heavy makeup here. Gawin muna natin itong eyebrows natin. Let's make it on fleek dahil ang mga Bratz dolls ay mayroong sobrang gandang eyebrows. So as always, you know the drill. I'm going to use my LA gel liner in brown. Just do this off cam and I'll be back so that we can do our eyeshadow. Hello! So I'm back. I'm done with the eyebrows. Ayun na siya. Medyo pinabilog ko yung dito niya kasi from the picture, makikita niyo medyo bilog yung dito ng eyebrows niya. So now we're going to do and try making our eyes big. So I had this for so long, pero maraming colors dito. Now we'll suit the looks ng ating Bratz dolls. So I'm gonna try doing it on one eye and then on the other, so you can see the finished look later and I can experiment as well. So let's go. Let me do it first. Okay, I've done the first part. Not completed yet, pero ito na siya. Ta-da! Looks scary, I know, pero we'll try our best to recreate this on this side. And let's start. First, use a concealer to prime the lids. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in number 10, Light. There you go. So now that we've got that going, and I'm using this shade over here, this brown one, we're going to use this as our transition. So again, medyo taasan natin kasi medyo malaki yung mga mata ng Bratz. Not medyo, malaki talaga. So I'm just gonna go ahead. We're going to use this gray here, deeper gray. Medyo dito tayo sa crease part. Swirl that around. Yes. So i-extend natin siya until here. There. So we're gonna go in with a deeper shade ng black na ito. So we're going to deepen this look. So, naka-smoky si Bratz, si ate. So, we're gonna smoke it out as well. And then, again, I'm just flicking it here para mas dramatic. And then, working on that cut crease. para mas bongga siya. Now, we're going to do the cut crease. Gagamitin natin ulit yung ating concealer. And we are going to put some sa ating lid to do the cut crease. Ganyan. Gonna blend it with this detailed brush. And we're going to use this gray here para sa ating inner corners. Naka-gray din eh. So we're gonna use this gray shade as well for the inner corners. So we're going to use this pencil that I got from Showell, itong white pencil. And we're gonna map it out first. So I want this to be thinner. And then as we go along this part, we're going to make it ganyan. And then we're going to fill that in. Yes, just to create a shadow. This angle brush from Showell. There's Sleek Makeup, and we're gonna outline it here, trying our best to copy this one. And then we're gonna do a cut eye look here. Kapalan natin siya. This one. And get that black eyeliner. And we're gonna draw that part. Pareho ng kabila. Try to outline that quickly. Hopefully you'll see that. I'm gonna outline that first. Okay, now I'll just finish up this part. I'll put on my, what do you call this? Mascara and false lashes, and I'll be back. There, so far so good. Uy, nakalimutan ko yung pa-eyeline natin dito ng mailiit para maging cut crease siya. Now we're moving on sa ating foundation. I'm just using this Mary Kay foundation, and we're going to make our face look so porcelana. Charing. Just gonna put this there. That part. Careful with your forehead and kilay. And then we're gonna use this powder from Maybelline. Gonna set it all. Some eyeshadow, and then we're gonna put those fake lashes. Very light. Parang ganyan siya. There! Now we're going to do our cheeks. Just simple lang. Not so much on the contouring. Most likely, I'll just make this part smaller. But other than that, nothing so exaggerated. Yes, now the lips. We have to make the lips so big. So we're going to use this one. This is just a Vice Cosmetics one. And we're going to overdraw it. Maybelline, it says Divine Wine. So we're gonna I'm just gonna clean it up and I'll be back. Here we go. This is the completed Bratz makeup look that I have created. Looks weird, but you know, Bratz. I just want to make my eyes look bigger, so ganyan na siya. And the lips, this is the best that I can do to make it bigger. There you go. So gayahin lang natin si ate din sa picture. So there. There. I hope you like this makeup tutorial or makeup challenge that I have created. It's so fun to make it. It's really good. Medyo matagal lang, but I like how it turned out. So, yes. If you want to give this also a try, you go ahead. It's so fun. Hindi mo naman to laging ginagawa. So, it's a very unique, it's different, it's a fun makeup challenge. So, once in a while, you can look like a doll, the one that you played when you were young. Bratz. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again on the next video. Mwah. Bye!